Reboot the Ranger. What's going on, guys? Reboot the Ranger here, back again with another tutorial video. Reboot tutorials. I just wanted to get into the second part of this tutorial on how to credit YouTube videos, ChillHop onto YouTube videos. So right here, I'm going to be getting into it right away. So if you missed the previous video, I did how to add it to how to credit ChillhopMusic to your Twitch page, and how to do that. So you can click on that. I'll leave that link in the description. But anyways, this is how it looks like. I just want to open the video and you click on the link here, and then they could just go basically to ChillhopMusic.com right there, easy, right? And when you download the music, right, from ChillHop, you have to connect your page first, and after you download it, you have to copy. When you download it, and then this link comes up, you have to copy the link, right? And you got to make sure you put it in the description of your YouTube video. So as you can see here, I just did a video how to credit music on ChillHop, and then at the bottom of here you can see I in my links I copied the link and I put it. Keep trying something. I don't have a mouse, guys, you gotta bear with me. I put it right here, right? So this is the link for the ChillHop music I'm putting into my YouTube video. As long as you connect your account, right, to your ChillHop station, right, you won't have any issues with copyright, right? So first you have to connect your ChillHop. So I'll show you how to connect. So I only connected one of my YouTube channels. I'm gonna connect the second one because I'm gonna actually probably think I'm gonna do some content there with the second one. So I'll link YouTube channel. This pops up with the page. What page I want to do? Black Nightmon. We'll connect Black Nightmon. Page will come up and I'll say allow. Bam. Right, so bam, it connects my other YouTube channel, Black Nightmon, and then you go to crediting video, and then it shows you right here, link your YouTube channel, which I just showed you guys how to do. I just linked one of my YouTube channels to ChillHop, right, Black Nightmon. And then after you do that, after you download the music, right? So I showed you guys. I'm just going to show you another example of me downloading music from my favorites. So I'm going to download this song called Bless. Alright, so we're going to download it. Right, and then after you download the music, right, this link comes up. You just copy it and you just simply paste into your YouTube video description. That's it, right? You just copy and paste, and then that's it, you're done. Right, so I just wanted to show that video. I looked it up to see if anyone when I was looking to add this music to my streams or whatever, looking up, and I couldn't find any videos about it. So I said, you know what, I'm going to make a video on how to credit ChillHop music. So hope you guys like it. If you do, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and catch you all next stream. Peace.